G'day and welcome to another episode of Kiwi Car Life. And last week I showed you my repossessed Accord Euro R. Today we're going to be starting the process of returning it to its former glory by clearing out all the junk inside, deep cleaning the seats and carpets, getting the steering wheel redone, new plate surrounds, new interior trims and much more. So let's start off by clearing out all the crap. So with many tons of absolute garbage cleared out of the car, it was time to start dealing with all the mold. This off.
You could use it to blow your car up.
Peanut butter under there.
Put it in reverse. Listen to that noise. Oh!
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nicely clean air's been coming into the cabin. Campbell's putting a special resin on the dash.
Smells great.
Oh yes, Campbell. Get in there.
It was absolutely covered in pointless stickers too, so we took to getting rid of them, added some new plate surrounds, got rid of the reversing camera screen and added my beloved Mugen shift knob. A quick trip to pick apart later and I had the remaining plastic trims that were missing, and then it was time to put everything back in. At this point, it was starting to look really good, so I took it to work, gave the outside a wash, and then got my steering wheel redone. Well, there we go. We're one episode into the repairs. I've spent less than $200 and this thing is already improved out of sight. Check it out. All that's left to do now is take it for a bit of a drive and tell you about what we're going to fix next week. Oh, that's right, the jolly starter's broken. Oh, push start it is. Come on, old girl. Oh, gee. Oh. There we go, bit of speed and power. Yes. How does it drive? Well, the least I'll say, it's clean. Fibre News work on the steering wheel has improved this to no end. It feels literally brand new now. And the rest of the interior is so clean and tidy. Everything's all that nice shiny black plastic again now, which is just lovely, and it makes me look forward to the driving experience of this car a little bit more. But there are still some major issues with it, and I am still extremely embarrassed to drive it. Mainly because of the wheels and wheel studs. The amount of comments I've had from people saying, why on earth did you put those wheels on it? And I have to explain myself and say, no, it wasn't me, it wasn't me. And then of course there's the exhaust, which is still outrageously loud. And not only that, it's got a hole about this big in one of the flexi joints, which just makes it sound absolutely terrible. And it's made worse by the fact I still don't have a second gear, so you pull out of an intersection and make a whole lot of noise and then just bog when you hit third and you sound like you can't drive. But, you know, the old K20A, mate, that's a good engine. Oh. So, stay tuned for next week when we rebuild the entire drivetrain of this car. It'll have a second gear, it'll have new drive shafts, and I'll be able to start it with the key by the end of the next episode. So I look forward to seeing you then.